Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Karen. Today I will continue to share DIY ideas with you. I'm going to show you a sterling silver dragon bead. This bead is a hollow design with a dragon surrounding the whole bead. Very detailed. Dragon is one of the 12 Chinese zodiac signs. Chinese dragons are symbolic of being lucky, propitious, powerful, protective, and noble, not as monsters as they are portrayed in Western stories. And this bead goes well with 10 mm beads as a focal point. My habit always make a theme when I come up with new designs. But this is an old design a few years ago. And I also get a lot of comments from subscribers asking what brand and size of the elastic cord that I use. There's no brand, because I get supplied directly from factory. It's an 0.8 mm flat elastic cord. In most cases, 10 mm beads are with 1 mm holes. Some are with 0.8 mm holes, so we can still use 4 cords to make these bracelets. For lapis, you can use navy blue, or you can use sea blue, sky blue. And then brown blue tiger eye, rainbow obsidian, I will use black. Malachite, I will use green. And brown tiger eye, I use brown. And amethyst, I use this purple. Elastic cords are available on DIYnotion.com if you want to purchase. For silver parts, you can go to my another store, gemandsilver.com. Okay, all done. Are they pretty? Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And I'm preparing a new video of golden rooted quartz family. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.